Welcome to another lesson on idiom. As you know, idioms are used in everyday conversation, so it is important that you know about idioms as they help you level up your English. Alright, the idiom we're going to be discussing about today is daft as a brush. This idiom is mostly used by the British and it means very silly. Here are some examples. All the things you have said are daft as a brush. It means all the things you have said are very silly. Here's another one. He is nice but daft as a brush. It means he is nice but very silly. Here's another one, which is our last example. David said the idea I shared with him was daft as a brush. It means the idea I shared with him was very silly. This idiom is informal, so don't use this idiom in a formal speech or formal writing. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video with another idiom.